Every time a breakthrough machine appears in the world of artificial intelligence, the same question follows. Is this the thing that replaces everything else? When Cerebras revealed a chip the size of an entire silicon wafer, the question felt unavoidable. Was this the end of GPU clusters? The end of distributed computing? The end of the way AI has been built for the last decade? The answer is simpler and far more interesting than a yes or no. Cerebras will never replace GPUs, and that's exactly why it matters. Technology history loves simple stories. One invention arrives, the old one disappears. But real progress doesn't work that way. Cars didn't replace trains. Smartphones didn't replace computers. Each tool found its place. AI hardware is no different. GPUs and Cerebras are not competing to be the same thing. They are solving different problems born from different realities. Expecting Cerebras to replace GPUs misunderstands what Cerebras was built to do in the first place. GPUs earned their place by being adaptable. They were designed for graphics, then discovered by AI researchers, then refined into the backbone of modern machine learning. Their strength is flexibility. You can scale them gradually, repurpose them easily, and deploy them everywhere, from laptops to massive cloud data centers. GPUs thrive in environments where workloads change, budgets matter, and experimentation is constant. They are generalists, and that generality is why they power most of today's AI. Replacing them would mean replacing the entire ecosystem built around them, and that ecosystem is too vast, too useful, and too deeply embedded to disappear. Cerebras was never designed to be everywhere. It was designed to be somewhere very specific. Its wafer-scale chip exists to solve a problem GPUs struggle with: extreme coordination at extreme scale. When AI models grow so large and so tightly connected that communication becomes the bottleneck, flexibility stops being helpful. Cerebras removes that bottleneck by keeping everything in one place. No fragmentation, no long-distance synchronization, just one unified space where intelligence moves freely. That is not a replacement strategy, it's a specialization strategy. If Cerebras tried to replace GPUs, it would lose its greatest advantage. GPUs win on cost, accessibility, and versatility. Cerebras wins on unity, scale, and focus. Forcing one to do the other's job would weaken both. GPUs are not inefficient. They are optimized for a different world. Cerebras is not impractical. It is optimized for problems that have already outgrown that world. Progress comes from coexistence, not domination. Think of GPUs as cities of intelligence. Many independent workers, each contributing a piece, communicating constantly to solve a problem. Think of Cerebras as a single mind, focused, unified, and uninterrupted. Some problems demand cities, others demand singular focus. AI is not one workload, it is thousands, and no single machine should be expected to solve them all. The future of AI will be layered. GPUs will continue powering experimentation, deployment, and consumer-scale intelligence. Cerebras will power frontier research, national-scale simulations, and models too large to fragment efficiently. Together, they form an ecosystem, not a rivalry. The biggest breakthroughs rarely come from replacing what works. They come from adding what was missing. Cerebras will never replace GPUs because it doesn't need to. Its value lies not in ubiquity, but in purpose. It exists to push the boundaries where existing systems fail, not to overthrow them. In the future of artificial intelligence, progress won't be defined by one machine ruling them all. It will be defined by the right machines in the right places, solving the right problems. And that is exactly where Cerebras belongs.